Hello guys, welcome to Miss Lydia 001. Yes, it's a beautiful evening over here and I want to do some homemade chili. Stick around and those are my ingredients. I have ginger, garlic over there. I have tomatoes already washed. Also, I have some green pepper and some and two onions. So first of all, I'm going to start by blending. Yeah, all of those things you are seeing on the plate, I'm going to blend them and then I'm going to show you the next step. So stick around guys, give the video a like as you continue watching and don't forget to give a positive comment below. And once more, thanks you guys for the support, for everything. You have been so kind to me and continue with the same spirit, the same support. I really appreciate.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
So guys, at this point I've blended my ingredient and the cooking oil is hot. As you can see, I only use cooking oil. I don't add onions. Yeah, but you can still fry the onions with the cooking oil, but for me I like blending when I'm making homemade chili. Yeah, at this point the kitchen was all filled with chili. You know, when you cook chili you get to sneeze a lot, but eventually you get to enjoy the pili pili or rather the chili. So that's me mixing it all together and then I'm going to cover for it to boil until it's thickened. Yeah.
That I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
And after that, I'm going to add my dried chili, as you can see, just to add on the chili and to spice it more. Yeah, so give the video a like, comment down below as I mix the chili as we wait for it to thicken. Guys, I really love making homemade chili. It's one of my best things. I love it. And you can have this homemade chili with biryani, pilau, even vegetables, anything you want to do with the homemade chili. It's always so yummy. It's always so yummy. I can promise you guys.
All I know what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember you. All I know what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, on the other hand, I'm going to soak my ukwaju with some a little water, as you can see. And really, I don't know the English name for this, so but in Swahili it's called ukwaju, and it's always so good when you put on the chili. So after it's soaked, I'm going to add it on the final cooking of our making of our chili. So stick around, give the video a like comment down below, share me to your friends and
Nothing
family,
really
and I will
matters.
really
That's all
appreciate.
I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I
Yeah,
would.
so guys, at this point, my homemade chili it's ready. I don't want it to be so thicker than this. Yeah, for mine, I like it not to drain all the waters, yeah, but it was so yummy. It was so yummy, and I really enjoyed it. As you can see, at the same times, it's so smooth. Eh? It's so smooth. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Yeah, and after that, it will be that. And then I'm going to add my ukwaju and the homemade chili. It's going to be ready. Wow,
When nothing
guys.
really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not.
Yeah, so finally, guys, thank you for watching up to this point. I'm
Think
so
it's odd
grateful.
how
Yes,
you
and
always
as you all
make
know,
my day.
everything that has a start has
How
an
your
ending,
eyes
and look at that,
complicate
guys.
my
It
way.
came out so nice, so thick. Yes, yeah, it was so amazing.
Let's
It
leave
was
it
so
on the
amazing, and
path
I
what you
really
come
loved
avoid.
the
I'll make
chili
my
how
way
the chili
across
turned out. It was
to
so
let
perfect.
sail away.
Guys, don't forget
I
to
just don't
follow
wanna
my
care.
recipe. You can try it at home,
Can
and
we
you
hit
have
up
your
good
homemade chili,
alone?
and
I'll be
you get to
okay, miss you
eat to
like
have
an
it
old
with any
friend.
meal. Yeah, any meal, any day. It's
Too
always
scared
so
now,
nice.
thinking I
Just
should
try
call
it,
up.
and
I'm not.
thank you so much for sticking around. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.